Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are doing a walk-around startup and probably not a drive video unless I open the door and it's not raining, but this is a 1991 Chevrolet S-10 regular cab two-wheel drive pickup. Now, this truck is finished in black with gray and black interior. You want to talk about one sweetheart of a truck. Now, the body, paint, and interior in this truck is second to none. This little truck is so cool. Laser straight black paint, sitting on a set of billet specialty wheels. They are 18s in the front and 20s in the rear. 2.8 liter V6 engine in this truck, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning, brand new billet wheels and tires, cowl induction hood, got the little chin spoiler on it, soft bed cover, got a bed mat in the bed. This little thing is absolutely gorgeous. You can check out the paint up close, look down the sides, laser straight little truck. Man, does this thing have eyeball. I don't think they get any cooler than this. You got the coolness of a sweet looking little pickup and the fuel economy of a little V6. This truck will get you down the road wherever you want to go. Take this thing to car shows. You just don't see trucks like this. You don't see them this nice, this clean, ever. Nice little bed mat in there. Little box of extra parts. This truck came from the south, so it's super, super clean. There's no rust on this truck anywhere. There's no bubbling, no blistering, nothing like that. Disc brakes on the front of this truck. Check out the interior. Just a gorgeous little black and gray interior. AM, FM, CD player, Bluetooth. Dome Lightworks headliner's really nice. Visors. Check out the jams. Just a gorgeous little truck. Check out the bottoms of these doors. That's what I'm saying. Look how nice it is. Jams are no different. The seat's in great shape. Little white 5-speed shift knob on there. That's just a nice little added bonus. Original owner's manual. Original GM floor mats. Man, what a clean little truck. Lightly tinted glass all around. This thing is just beautiful. $104,000 miles on the clock. Little aftermarket exhaust, dash lights all work, left turn, bright headlight indicator, horn, radio. Sounds great too. Little V6 under the hood, just an awesome truck. Cigarette lighter. Listen to this thing. Sounds like a little V8 in there. Roll pan rear bumper, like I said, front chin spoiler. I'm just not just telling you it's straight, it's straight. Door gap, panel fitment, everything just super nice on this little truck. All the lights work on it, the air conditioning blows cold, even the front windshield's tinted. If you're looking for a cool little truck to jump around, hop around with, don't look any further. This thing's gonna do it all for you. I seen this little truck, a buddy of mine had it. I traded in he had a Mustang Fox body he wanted. I traded this little truck in, and I know he's happy with that Mustang, and I couldn't be happier with this little S-10, dude. It's just a super nice little truck. What a beauty. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and specialty vehicles every day. So if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous little S-10 pickup, give us a call. Again, 563-452-2450. And I'm not just telling you it's raining out. It's raining out. I wish it wasn't. Thank you for all my YouTube subscribers. Really appreciate you watching all my videos. Hope you have a great night. And if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so by hitting that red subscribe button. That way you never miss another great quality collector car at Kinion Classics. Have a great night, everyone.